Hi, welcome to our brand new Microsoft Azure Fundamental AZ 900 Practice Questions 2022. In this video, we are going to discuss all the dummy questions of Microsoft Azure 900 exam. I am your host Kushal Mehta, and let's get started. Question 109. Which two entities can use Azure Government? And the options are United States Government Agency. Option 2, International Organization. Option 3, US Government Contractor. Option 4, European Government Contractor. Option 5, Japanese Government Agency. And the correct answer is Option 1, United States Government Agency, and Option 3, US Government Contractor. Explanation. Option 1 and 3 are correct. Azure Government is available only to US government agencies or their partners. Azure Government is a special region that provides mission-critical clouds for US government agencies and their partners. It was created specifically to provide a cloud environment that supports strict security in the United States. Question 110. You need to perform data processing utilizing Hadoop clusters in the cloud. Which solution is the best for this? And the options are Option 1, Azure Databricks. Option 2, Azure Synapse Analytics. Option 3, Azure HD Insight. Option 4, Azure Database for PostgreSQL. And the correct answer is Option 3, Azure HD Insight. Explanation. Option 3 is the correct answer. Azure HD Insight processes large amounts of data in managed Hadoop clusters on the cloud. Option 1 is incorrect. Azure Databricks integrates the collaborative Apache Spark-based analytics service with other big data services in Azure. Option 2 is incorrect. Azure Synapse Analytics performs large-scale analytics by using a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that leverages massively parallel processing to quickly perform complex queries on petabytes of data. Option 4 is incorrect. Azure Database for PostgreSQL is a highly available and secure scalable, fully managed PostgreSQL relational database. Question 111. Which of the following would use the standards-based approach when adding functionality to applications that are targeted by Azure AD? And the options are Option 1, IT Admin. Option 2, App Developer. Option 3, the user. Option 4, online service subscribers. And the correct answer is Option 2, App Developer. Explanation. Option 2 is the correct answer. Azure AD allows app developers to take standard-based approach when adding functionality to their applications. Option 1 is incorrect. Azure AD allows administrators to control access to applications and resource based on their business requirements. Option 3 is incorrect. Users can manage their identities. For example, self-service password reset allows users to change or reset their passwords without having to contact an IT administrator or help desk. Option 4 is incorrect. Subscribers to Microsoft 365, Microsoft Office 365, Azure, and Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online are already using Azure AD. Question 112. True or false? You cannot move resources between regions. And the options are Option 1, true. Option 2, false. And the correct answer is Option 2, false. The correct answer is false. You can move Azure resources to another Azure subscription or to another resource group in the same subscription. You can use the Azure portal, Azure PowerShell, Azure CLI, or REST API to move resources. You can also use Azure Resource Mover to move resources to another region. Leverage Azure global infrastructure capabilities to seamlessly move resources to the region that best suits your needs. You can streamline your planning process, accelerate your travel, and protect your resources. Question 113. True or false? There are regions that are not available to organizations that have business bases in the United States. And the options are option 1, true, option 2, false. And the correct answer is option 1, true. The correct answer is true. Organizations that do not have a business based in China will not be able to use the 4 regions of China. Global Azure is operated by Microsoft, but China is not available globally for political reasons. As a result, China Azure operates independently of Global Azure. Question 114. True or false? A region is made up of 3 or more data centers, and the options are option 1, true, option 2, false. And the correct answer is option 2, false. Explanation. The correct answer is false. A region consists of at least 2 data centers. Azure operates in multiple data centers around the world. These data centers are grouped into geographic regions, giving you flexibility in choosing where to build your applications. You create Azure resources in defined geographic regions like West US, North Europe, and Southeast Asia. You can review the list of regions and their locations. Within each region, multiple data centers exist to provide for redundancy and availability. This approach gives you flexibility as you design applications to create VMs closest to your users and to meet any legal, compliance, or tax purposes. Question 115. True or false? Each region has an independent set of geographically separated data centers. And the options are option 1, true, option 2, false. And the correct answer is option 1, true. Explanation. The correct answer is true. Each region is located geographically separated. Therefore, it can be used for saving backups in another region as a disaster response. Azure regions and availability zones are designed to help you achieve resiliency and reliability for your business-critical workloads. Azure maintains multiple geographies. These discrete demarcations define disaster recovery and data residency boundaries across one or multiple Azure regions. Maintaining many regions ensures customers are supported across the world. Each Azure region features data centers deployed within a latency-defined perimeter. They are connected through a dedicated regional low-latency network. This design ensures that Azure services within any region offer the best possible performance and security. Question 116. True or false? There are multiple data centers in Azure region that contain the availability zone. Option 1, true. Option 2, false. And the correct answer is option 1, true. Explanation. The correct answer is true. Azure regions represent geographical locations and are set to countries in regions. And the region is a group of data centers that are globally distributed around the world in Azure. Therefore, every region will have multiple data centers. Each Azure region features data centers deployed within a latency-defined perimeter. They are connected through a dedicated regional low-latency network. This design ensures that Azure services within any region offer the best possible performance and security. For regions that include availability zones, multiple data centers are used to make the availability zones redundant. Question 117. True or false? One region is set up in one country. And the options are option 1, true, option 2, false. And the correct answer is option 2, False. Explanation. The correct answer is false. There may be more than one region in a country. To ensure resiliency, there are at least 3 AZs in every enabled region. For example, the United States, which has a wide landmass and a large economy, has many regions. Question 118. True or false? The regions are connected by wideband leased line. And the options are option 1, true, option 2, false. And the correct answer is option 2, false. Explanation. The correct answer is false. Data centers within a region are connected using a low latency leased region network, but regions are connected via the internet rather than a leased line. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Buy our premium AZ bundle with 90% off. Check link in the description.